Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a makeup product review for you guys on the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand Blush. I have the shade Berry Radiant here, and I did a first impressions and try on with you guys of this product, and I shared my honest thoughts and opinions with you guys. So if you guys are interested in knowing what my thoughts are on this product, and if you're interested in seeing a demo of how to use this, and if you're interested in knowing how I created this beautiful glowy everyday makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, so we're gonna get started with skin prep. I'm going in with the Laneige Sleeping Mask. That's just gonna hydrate my lips and get it ready for lipstick. So next up, I want to add some moisturizer to the face, and I also want to prime my face, and I'll be going in with the Mudmasky Glam Care POREfection primer. I've actually really been liking this stuff. I've been using it a lot lately. I like it for a moisturizer. I feel like it adds really nice moisture to the face, but I will be going in with a primer afterwards just because I feel like it doesn't really do too much for my pores, but I do like how it makes my skin feel and how my makeup goes on it. So I do like this step. So just for some extra insurance for my pores, I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm just going to concentrate this on my T-zone and really blend it in so I can diffuse out my pores. Next, I'm going in with the Proud Icicle Cooling Eye Serum. I absolutely love this stuff, you guys. If you've been watching my recent tutorials, you'll know this is like a key step that I do not like to miss in my routine. This is just super cooling under the eyes, and it just gets the under eyes nice and prepped for makeup, and it also just feels really, really good under the eyes. And to just wrap up skin prep, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. As you guys can see, I've really been breaking out lately, and I'm so upset about that. I think it has to do with wearing a lot more makeup than I usually do on a regular, but that's okay. Just to correct the acne scarring, I'm going in with some color corrector, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury Medium 2 color corrector. I'm also going to use this color corrector to fix my hyperpigmentation, so just under my eyes and around my mouth. Going in with foundation next, this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Golden Beige. You guys know I love this foundation. I've been using it for years, and I just love using this. It just makes your skin look so nice and effortless. It has really good coverage, and it's just so affordable from the drugstore. Definitely one of my favorite foundations for glam looks and also for soft glam like today. Alright, so foundation is all done. Next up, I want to contour the face, and to contour, I'll be going in with the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronzing Cream. I'm in the shade Light, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this product on a angled brush, and I'm just going to contour out the face. This is definitely one of my absolute favorite cream bronzers. It really effortlessly sculpts your face, and I just love how seamlessly it blends and blurs into the skin. Just a little on the chin, not too much. I'll do a super subtle contour down the nose, and I'll clean it up with concealer later. Alright, time to go into the product we've all been waiting for, which is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand Blush, and I have the shade Berry Radiant, and I'm so excited to try this. I do believe this product is a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury blushes, if I'm not mistaken, so I really am excited to try this because I haven't even tried the Charlotte ones, so I'm excited to give this a try. I know it's been trending on socials and people have been loving this product, so I really wanted to give it a shot and try it myself. I am squeezing, and there should be, oh, there you go, there's some product. I think I'll just go directly into the cheeks, and then we'll blend it out and see how much we need as we go. I don't know why I am nervous. Okay, we're gonna need a little bit more product than that. Alright, hopefully this isn't too much product, but we're just gonna work on blending this into the skin. This has like a beautiful radiant glow to it, you guys. Wow. I do want to take the product on my sponge and see how that works better. I think for some reason the product is going on a little bit patchy. I think it has to do with the foundation underneath being a little bit more matte. So what I'm gonna do is go in with some setting spray to just kind of soften everything out. Yeah, that is making my life a lot easier. So this is a good trick if you feel like your makeup underneath is setting. Just go in with a little bit of setting spray to refresh your face, and then you can go back in and continue with your cream products. So I did start seeing a little bit of patchiness. That's my fault. I probably should have used a more moisturizing foundation, something that wasn't super matte, because the Wet n Wild foundation is very mattifying. So that was my mistake. But honestly, you guys, I'm totally living for this blush. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I love the color. I have the color Berry Radiant. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the glowiness that it has. The finishing is amazing. Let's continue on and finish up with the makeup. So this may look like a lot of blush, but you guys will see that it will tone itself down once I conceal the face. So I'm just going in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just gonna conceal my face and then set it with my Huda Beauty setting powder. I'm also just going to clean up the edges of the blush and the contour just so it's not so harsh. I'm gonna let the setting powder sit for like 30 seconds to a minute while it just does its thing, and I'm gonna fill in my brows in the meantime with the Benefit Gimme Brow. And this is just like a brow gel, and I like to just brush through my brows just to color them in. Alright, setting powder is done doing its thing, and my brows are also done. So I'm going to just take my brush and I'm just going to wipe away the setting powder. I'm also going to take any excess powder and just set the cheeks in place just so the blush doesn't move around. I'm really loving how the blush is looking, you guys. Even after setting them with a little bit of setting powder, just so they don't move around, I still see really nice like glow and shine to the cheeks, so I absolutely love that. I do want to add just a little bit more glow to the face, so I'll be going in with the Glowdient makeup palette, and I think I'm going to go in with like a really nice kind of light shade. Kind of want to go in with this one right here, and I'm just going to put that onto the high points of my cheeks. And look how beautiful that looks. Wow. This is some next level blinding highlight, and I'm so here for it. And just a little bit on the nose. I do want to add a little bit of highlight to the inner corners. I'm using the same color, and I'm just going in with my finger. Just to wrap up the eyes, I'm going to go in with some mascara, and this is the Iconic London Enrich and Elevate Mascara in the shade Black. I did recently review this product, you guys, so if you're interested in seeing like a detailed review, make sure to check out my video. I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. And the very last thing I have to do is do my lips, so I'm going in with the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut. For lipstick, I want to go in with a really nice pink that's going to match the blush, and I think the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick is the perfect color, so we're going to go in with this. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's soft glam glowy everyday makeup tutorial. Overall, I would say I absolutely love this product. I think it's beautiful. I love how radiant the blush is. It has so much glow to it, and I feel like this is super trendy right now with glowy makeup being such a big trend. I did see this product really trending heavy on TikTok TikTok, which is why I really wanted to try it out and do a dedicated video kind of seeing what my thoughts are on this product, and definitely I recommend it. You guys saw in the video I did have a little bit of problems when my foundation started drying and the product was going on patchy, so definitely make sure your base isn't too dry when you're going in with this product or it's gonna go on patchy. And obviously the quick fix that I did, as you guys saw, was just go in with some setting powder. So you just want to make sure your base is nice and hydrated when you're working with cream products such as this one. So it was my mistake. The Wet n Wild foundation does dry matte. It's a mattifying foundation and it dries pretty quickly, so I should have used something with a little bit more moisture or something that takes a little longer to set in place. So yeah, overall I would definitely recommend this product. I think it's definitely a 10 out of 10, a beautiful cream blush, you guys, with amazing glow and radiance, and I just love this color. The berry radiant color is definitely me, and I just love pairing it with the pink lips that I have on. So yeah, I think overall that's pretty much it for my honest thoughts and opinions. I think this product is definitely a win in my books. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried out this e.l.f. blush, and let me know your thoughts. Let me know which shade you tried, which one is your favorite. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!